name is Faith Weinberg. I came to NSI Stem Cell because I had pain in my knees and I did not want to have knee replacement surgery. I could not walk up and down stairs very easily, both rails, and I've fallen several times. I had pain all the time. It was hard even to get to sleep at night because of the pain in my knees. Since having the stem cell replacement, I've not had any pain in my knees from the second day. I can do stairs a little bit easier now, and I enjoy life better with my granddaughter. We can go out and play more. I would definitely recommend NSI stem cell replacement therapy to anybody who had issues with their joints. And everybody here has been wonderful to me. It's been a great experience.